raining.
Now we can go outside play at recess. Yeah, but rain is actually good for us though. Yeah, let's talk about why it's good for us. Rain is really good for animals.
Rain makes water for them to drink.
Rain is also good for plants. Rain needs water to grow.
We need plants for food. We need plants for oxygen.
Rain is part of the water cycle. When the clouds get heavy, the rain falls out. Sometimes it's fun to play in the rain.
But you have to wear your Rainbow City rain jackets because you don't want to get sick.
I guess it's good that it's raining after all. Yeah. Just sing in the rain. Just sing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again.
Just singing and dancing in the rain.